Hey guys, I hope you're okay. Today I want to quickly talk about metronidazole and alcohol. So metronidazole and alcohol cannot be given together and have to have a separation in between them. So you can't, the same way you can't give, for example, levothyroxine or let's say tetracyclines with sort of supplementation, you will need to keep gaps between alcohol and metronidazole. So that's a 48-hour gap. So why? Because metronidazole and alcohol can cause a disulfiram-like reaction, which means that the patient will vomit if they ingest both. That's the first point. Now, tetracyclines should be avoided in pregnancy and breastfeeding. So that's a very, very important point as well. So as we know with tetracyclines, you should not give it to under 16s, if I can remember correctly. Sorry, under 12s. Why? Because of issues of chelation. So tetracyclines can chelate to calcium and is very, very important when it comes to the logic with why you should avoid tetracyclines in breastfeeding and pregnancy, you know? So it makes a lot of sense. So tetracyclines are, you have to watch out because they have a lot of contraindications. Now, to quickly go through what tetracyclines are given for, tetracyclines can generally be given for chlamydia, UTIs, sinusitis, cough, CAP, HAP, CPD, cellulitis, human animal bites, and the list goes on. It's a very, very important antibiotic as it can be used for prevention of malaria as well, so prophylaxis of malaria. So if we look at the cautions, you have myasthenia gravis for tetracyclines, which is a uh, neuromuscular transmission problem. So caution in myasthenia gravis. Very, very crucial point there. So watch out for that. And myasthenia gravis is a caution in a lot of other drugs, not just for tetracyclines. So you got to watch out for that. In a lot of statins, before giving a statin, you have to treat the hypothyroidism before initiating statin, and that's something you need to look out for as well. And thank you so much, guys.